up on Facebook.
Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. Welcome to this, I want to say, kitchen and living room tour of my aunt's apartment. She's a bit of a self-proclaimed interior designer, so we're about to head inside her apartment and check out what she has in store or how she has the place decorated. But enough of the chattings. I'm no one ready for the video. One ready? Run me intro. Alright, so we can start the decor off with these family photos and these picture frames that are hanging from the ceiling and the walls leading up to her apartment door. And of course, a happy home starts with love. That's definitely true. And there's a mat right here. Of course, you know, you take off your slippers when you're entering somebody's home, or your shoes. And I would like to start over on this side here, where there is a picture frame hung on her wall, and her color scheme, by the way, is white, silver, and gray. And this says, love always protects, always trusts, always hopes, always perseveres, love never fails. And this is 1 Corinthians. Nice. And this should be a bookshelf, but she uses this to hang her, not hang, but display all the cards she has gotten over the years. So we move into this dining room table. It is of course set with the same color scheme that I was telling you about, white, silver, and gray. And it is a beautiful setup. I know one person, one of my subscribers in particular, will definitely appreciate this video. She was the one who actually specifically asked for it. Holly, big up yourself. She loves this type of interior designing stuff. So I guess you guys can take some ideas from how this table is arranged, and all of the arrangements that I'm going to be displaying are done by my aunt by hand. She has this little showcase over on this side with some more art. She calls this her art wall, and this beautiful setup. See if I turn off the lights, you can get a better view of it. Everything here is reflective in a sense, so you guys can see exactly what is going on. I think she's actually home. I think she just got home too. We can move into her bathroom, where you can see the same white and silver and gray setup. So these are the towels you don't use to dry your hands unless you want to get into trouble with her. She has that painting or artwork up there, reflective mirror. Has this white towel right here to wipe the sink if it gets wet. Flowers, soap, sanitizer. She has the white and silver candles, a nice faucet painting back there. So there's a faucet painting right there, and there's a bathtub painting right there, and a fan, of course. Yes, because it is kind of hot right now. There's actually a storm watch today. So the place is kind of hot. Oh, should have turned the light on. So I'll give you guys a final look of how this bathroom is situated. Everything having a white, silver, or gray color scheme. Even one gray towel there, one rag there. We have the gray candle back there with the white ones in the front, and this silver reflective mirror type thing that is holding them. Silver at the top there with gray on the bottom and the white candle. So she living up to the color scheme that she outlined that she has on display. And of course, dark cabinetry. This is her, I guess, china cabinet. me not see much China, but, and of course we're all about family here, so a mug with family faces inside. So she also decorated the top of her cupboard. We have, well, big this up, of course, greetings from Jamaica, the Caribbean Sea, all the parishes, big up Jamaica. So you can see how the curtains are situated, white with silver and gray towel accents, accent towels. Build a happy home, build a happy home. And she has white, silver and gray decorations at the top. This kitchen is for dancing. That is true. A big swim around up there. Always find joy in the journey. Bam, 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 bam. Has a refrigerator, which is white. She has a towel right there to match the decor again. 3 towels right there matching the decor. And throw a thumbs up if you're a planting lover. There's both green and ripe right there. You can indicate what's your favorite in the comment section down below. This big plate is a decorative plate and not one you eat out of. It has a starfish, seashell. And big up Auntie for these cookies. This cookie jar was filled, and you know I totally destroyed those. It had chocolate chips. It's just one chocolate chip left, and it also had the, I think is walnuts. Yeah, I'm going ham on those too. Team 200 pound going back to Jamaica for sure. This silver thing to hold the white paper towel, and what I love about this paper towel holder, it actually comes with this clip thing here, so when you pull off piece it stays. I literally just wasted this paper, so I'm going to put it back, or better yet, can leave it right there for my aunt to use. Have the white thing to keep the, I don't know what she keeps in that. White, 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 silver, white, white, silver, white, silver, silver, white. So she's living up to her color scheme. Even the mats on the kitchen floor are silver. Garbage bin, silver. Toaster, silver. Accessories over here, all silver. Fan, silver. What's going on over here? So this is actually one of my videos playing. One of my house tours. $79 million house in the Smoky Vale area of Kingston. Oh, let me like my own video. But that's playing. This is a playlist of my most popular videos. So this one right here, matter of fact, let me just jump back so you guys can see my most popular videos. I can X this off the screen right now. So my most popular videos are right here. So this first one almost at 10,000 views. This one 8.3 thousand, 5.5, 5.5, 4.1. So you guys can definitely check out all those videos at Moments by Boothe on YouTube. But anyway, jumping out of that, we see the silver on top of gray placemats, and we have this silver slash gray, or gray with sparkles thing that my aunt keeps sweets in. She loves our sweets. And we have this wall over here that I am going to show you how the picture frames are aligned. It's not symmetrical, it's actually like a diagonal style coming across, but then one's at the top, so I would say it's a asymmetric wall design. She said that this is a custom made, designed by her chair. It is a antique looking chair, and it's pretty nice. Of course, it has the throw pillows and the throw towel. Let me call it a towel, or comforter, I don't know. You guys can tell me what that thing is. I am certainly not an interior designer. Of course, Kayan, big up yourself. There goes my aunt. There goes my other aunt. My aunt again, who's the designer. See the big man there himself. That's me. Aunt, 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 aunt. And even though it's dark cabinetry and this fireplace right here, there's me when I was going to university. I think that was my first year when I actually had a lot of hair on my head. And she has this dark brown, like all throughout. That's dark brown. This is dark brown. I want to call it a lamp, is dark brown, and it's actually touch sensitive. So it's 1, 2, 3 off, and that's a beautiful touch, if I do say so myself. Moving along, we have the dark brown clock. Beautiful candle accents. If you look on the inside, you will see that there's a silver candle, white candle, silver candle. So definitely sticking through and through to her color scheme. She has the throw pillows in this, I want to call it a sofa right here, and throw pillows down on the floor, white and gray with the dark brown, I would say, rug. And this almanac, ottoman, and of course it can be used as a form of storage. There's also another ottoman over there. We call them asak in Jamaica, but they're known as ottomans in America. Well, in Jamaica too, but we call them asak. If you look on this table right here, we see the same setup, gray/silver flowers, everything decorated by my aunt, all of this. So if you guys want someone to decorate your living room, your bedroom, your bathroom for you with a particular color scheme, you can definitely hit up my aunt. Matter of fact, you can just shoot me a message, an email at momentsbybooth@gmail.com, and I will put you in touch with her. This one I don't think is plugged in, but it's the same touch setup. There goes my lovely grandma. Look miserable, but a jokester, real jokester. There goes my aunt again, and of course the same dark brown furniture setup. She said she really loved this piece as well. It is called a chase. Let me try to get a nice angle on it. So that's it right there. And pretty much that's the end of my little tour of my aunt's apartment. Let me close this down. Come back out so you guys can see all of the space. Wow, and it's pretty hot. It is pretty hot inside here. So this has been a real estate tour of my aunt's apartment. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys got some ideas of how you can decorate your kitchen, your bathroom, your living room, how you can put together a threefold color scheme setup and bring it to life inside your own homes. But enough of the talking from me. Just remember to like this video, share this video with a friend, share the ideas that you got from this video with your friends, tell them to come and watch this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. This has been AB, and I'm signing out.